In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Google Drive effectively. Managing your Google Drive storage can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're juggling multiple projects and uploads. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of cleaning up your drive by deleting files you no longer need. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Drive homepage filled with all your files and folders. Navigating through here is typically quite straightforward, but if you have a cluttered drive, the search bar at the top can be a handy tool. You can type in the name of the file or folder you're looking for, or even part of the name if you don't remember the exact title. Now let's move on to locating the file or folder you wish to delete. Browse through until you spot the item you want to remove. If needed, you can switch between different views like grid or list view by clicking on the icons at the top right of your screen, which might make it easier to find what you're looking for depending on your preference. Once you've found the file or folder, there are a couple of ways you can proceed. The simplest method is to right click on the item. If you're not using a mouse, you can also look for the three-dot menu, usually arranged vertically, which is often positioned next to the file name. Click on this menu and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, select Remove. It's worth noting that this action doesn't permanently delete your file just yet. It moves the file to the trash. Let's quickly clarify what happens now. The trash in Google Drive functions similarly to the recycle bin you might be familiar with from your desktop. This means that while the files are no longer visible in their original locations, they're not permanently gone. They still occupy storage space, and you can still restore them if you change your mind. To completely erase a file and free up space, it's necessary to delete it permanently. Click on Trash located on the left sidebar of your drive. Inside the trash, you'll find all the files you've previously removed. To permanently delete a file, right-click on it, then select Delete Forever from the menu. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation, ensuring that you want to proceed. Once confirmed, the file is gone for good and cannot be recovered. By following these steps, you can keep your Google Drive organized and ensure that your important files have enough room to breathe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore our channel for more tips on managing your digital life effectively.